facing foreclosure can be a stressful and overwhelming experience for any homeowner. If you find yourself in this situation in Asheville, NC, it's essential to understand the foreclosure process and explore your options to protect your financial future. In this blog post, we'll discuss the foreclosure process, the potential impact on your credit, and how working with a company like Need a Fair Offer can help you sell your home quickly and avoid foreclosure. The foreclosure process in Asheville, NC. The foreclosure process begins when a homeowner fails to make mortgage payments and the lender decides to take legal action to recover the outstanding debt. In Asheville, NC, this typically involves a judicial foreclosure where the lender files a lawsuit against the homeowner. The homeowner will receive a notice of default in a specified time frame to either pay the outstanding balance or work out a repayment plan with the lender. If the homeowner fails to resolve the issue within the given time frame, the lender can proceed with the foreclosure process and eventually sell the property at auction to recover their losses. The impact of foreclosure on your credit. Foreclosure can have a significant negative impact on your credit score, making it challenging to secure loans or credit in the future. It can remain on your credit report for up to 7 years, and the drop in your credit score can vary depending on various factors, such as your payment history and outstanding debt. It's crucial to explore alternative options to avoid foreclosure and minimize the damage to your credit. Selling your home to avoid foreclosure. One option to avoid foreclosure is to sell your home before the foreclosure process is completed. This can help you pay off your outstanding mortgage balance and potentially preserve your credit. However, traditional home sales can be time-consuming, and there may not be enough time to complete the process before the foreclosure deadline. How Need a Fair Offer can help. Working with a company like Need a Fair Offer can help you sell your home quickly in Asheville, NC, and avoid foreclosure. Need a Fair Offer specializes in buying homes in any condition, allowing you to sell your home as is without making costly repairs or updates. They can provide a fair cash offer and close on your timeline, giving you the flexibility to settle your outstanding mortgage debt and prevent foreclosure. Benefits of selling your home to Need a Fair Offer. There are several benefits to selling your home to Need a Fair Offer in Asheville, NC. Quick sale. Need a Fair Offer can close on your property in as little as a few weeks, allowing you to avoid foreclosure and settle your mortgage debt promptly. No repairs or updates required. You can sell your home as is, saving you time and money on costly repairs and updates. No real estate agent fees. By working directly with Need a Fair Offer, you can avoid paying real estate agent commissions, putting more money in your pocket. Flexibility. Need a Fair Offer will work with you to create a customized solution that meets your needs and helps you avoid foreclosure. Facing foreclosure in Asheville, NC, can be a challenging and stressful experience. Understanding the foreclosure process and exploring your options, such as selling your home, can help you protect your financial future. Working with a company like Need a Fair Offer can provide you with a fast, efficient solution to sell your home and avoid foreclosure. By taking proactive steps and seeking professional assistance, you can navigate this difficult situation and regain control over your financial future.